Oh, it's a great fixture as a striker, but I think he's going to be coming in, 15, 20 minutes towards the end.
Swedish fans not happy with him at the moment because he
No.
wasn't.
Yeah, I can see
fit for their big games.
I can see that point, and I'm sure that's some of that's disappointing for Alex as well. But he ultimately had to get his deal over the line. I don't think it's a case of him not being fit, but it's not been up to the level, and he would have been, because there's being fit and there's being match fit, and Martin will attest to this. They're two completely different things, aren't they? Being fit and being match fit. I think for Liverpool, it's a great game. You can ease him in. You've got a Champions League coming up as well. Ease him in there. Probably ease him in one more game and then expect to start him 2 weeks from now.